Okay, so let's do one that involves trig. All right, let's pick our favorite trig function, sine. Okay, so we've got f of x is equal to the sine of 2x cubed plus 3x squared. Okay, and our goal is to get the derivative of this. Okay, we can break this apart, and by all means, go ahead and break it apart. I'm going to take this video. I wanted you to see if we can kind of work through this whole derive the outside, keep the inside, derive the inside philosophy, just so that you can start to get these done even quicker, because I know that your time is very valuable. Okay, so our outer function is the sine. If this is the sine of x, then we'd refer to the video from last week. We know the derivative of the sine of x is just going to be the cosine of x. Okay, but we don't have the sine of x. We have the sine of ugly. We have the sine of an inside function. All right, but we can still get our derivative, and we can do it rather quickly. Okay, what do we do first? We derive the outside. So we have sine of something. Sine derives to cosine. So we can put cosine down. Okay, but we're not going to put down the derivative of the inside yet. We start by keeping the inside. That's an important part, keeping the inside. So cosine of 2x cubed plus 3x squared. We don't change the inside function yet. But at the end, then we do. Now it's time to derive the inside. What would be the derivative of 2x cubed plus 3x squared? Yeah, it would be 6x squared plus 6x. Okay, and we're done. Okay, we would get the exact same answer if we broke this apart into u of x and y of u and then brought it back together. Okay, and you can absolutely do that, and I would encourage you to do that if that's how you feel comfortable with the chain rule. But as you're working this, if you see these three things right here going on, if that makes sense to you, try it this way, because you're going to get your answer a lot quicker, and then you have more time for other problems. Okay, change the derive the outside, keep the inside, derive the inside. 1, 2, 3. Derive the outside, keep the inside, derive the inside. Okay, I will give you just one little note of caution. This is the most common incorrect answer that kids have given me over the past 20 years. They say, okay, sine. Sine derives to cosine, and they write that down, and they see 2x cubed plus 3x squared. Say, oh, I got to derive that. So they write down 6x squared plus 6x, and then they're done. They call this the answer. That's not true. That's a bad answer. We did not keep the inside, and you want to make sure that you keep the inside when you do these chain rule problems. Okay, a couple more of these examples coming up.